Hello, I'm Gill from Happy. This is an example of when an XLOOKUP might be really useful. I have here in column A a list of transaction dates. These have been linked with certain accounts. The account numbers are here in column B. The amounts are in column C. What I want to be able to do is pull through column D. But the information is on a different sheet. It's on my account details sheet. We can see here in column G, here are my account numbers. So I want to use these to find out the last name that's associated with them. So if I jump back to my transaction sheet, I can start off by typing equals XLOOKUP. I'm looking up the account number. In this case, what happens to be in B2. I'll pop in my comma there. It then asks for a lookup array. Where are you wanting to look this up? So if I jump to my account details sheet, I will just highlight column G and I'm going to fix it in place so I can copy this formula down. So I'm going to press F4 to make my references absolute. And then I'll pop in another comma and it asks for my return array. I'm looking to pull through the last name, so I'm going to highlight that comma. Again, I'm going to fix it in place by using my F4 key. And then finally, close my brackets and press enter. And hopefully you can see how it's pulled through the last name that is associated with that account number. For more quick tips and details of our training courses, just visit our YouTube channel or go to our website happy.co.uk.